Hello, everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Webflow to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliates training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. Webflow, on the other hand, is known for its powerful and flexible website building platform. It provides a visual design interface with advanced customization options, allowing you to create highly responsive and professional websites without needing to know how to code. Webflow is ideal for designers and developers who want more creative control and precision in their website designs. In terms of pricing, Webflow provides a starter free plan for staging sites, a basic plan at pricing $18, a CMS plan at pricing $29, a business plan at pricing $49, an advanced control, and an enterprise plan with custom pricing also available. When comparing SiteRubix and Webflow, consider your goals and skill level. SiteRubix is best suited for beginners or those who want an easy-to-use platform with educational support. In contrast, Webflow is ideal for those with more design experience who want greater control over their website's appearance and functionality. To determine which is better for building websites in 2024, evaluate your specific needs and goals. If you're looking for a simple, guided approach with community support, SiteRubix may be the better option. If you prioritize advanced design capabilities and customization, Webflow might be the way to go. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.